Alright, so what happens whenever you have like a bunch of text on a page and you kind of want to represent things in a list format? Well, HTML has different ways of representing lists. So there's both unordered and ordered list. So I'm going to show you guys how to do an unordered list really quick. So this is a bulleted list. So let me make a paragraph and put some key points here. Major keys. Alright, so we have our keys. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a list of different things, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to first declare the unordered list tag. It's just a UL. So UL is how you do it. And then inside of the UL tag, we need to put the different items that we have. But before I do that, I'm going to actually go ahead and close out my UL tag before I forget. If you forget to close out this tag, you're going to get a bunch of weird behavior because it's going to think that all the stuff that in your HTML document is still part of this list. So let's go ahead and put some items in the list. To do so, we need to use a list item tag, and that is a tag that is simply the letters LI. So some key points here are to always close your HTML tags, and then I gotta close it as well, like I just said. And then key points are to LI, keep coding. So keep coding and always be coding. Basically, you're definitely gonna need to do that as well. And then the last one is don't forget the milk. Don't forget the milk. So there's just a really quick example of a list with 3 elements in here, and yeah, that's pretty much all that there is. It's just a UL tag with a bunch of different list items in there, and you know it shows up here in the output pane as a bulleted list, and it does show a little bit indented, as you guys can see as well. So just kind of keep that in mind whenever you're structuring your document and you care about how it looks. We'll learn how to get it to be moved to the left and how to move things around later when we get to CSS. Thanks for watching, guys.